If you're thinking about investing in crypto and considering token metrics, there are 7 things you need to know before diving in. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this platform is right for you, especially when compared to other tools like CoinMarketCap, CryptoCompare, and others. Stick around, because I'll also reveal how you can try token metrics completely free from the first link below. First off, Token Metrics offers an all-in-one crypto investment platform, but unlike some of its competitors, it's powered by AI-driven analytics. This means you get access to real-time data, price predictions, and research reports, essentially giving you a research team in your pocket. With a focus on AI, Token Metrics tailors its recommendations based on the latest market trends, making it stand out from simpler platforms that only provide basic price tracking or historical data. Next thing, Token Metrics is well known for its crypto ratings. The platform offers a proprietary rating system that evaluates coins and projects based on various factors such as technology, market data, and community sentiment. While other tools like CoinGecko also have ratings, Token Metrics goes a step further by combining technical analysis with its AI to give you a more detailed, data-backed rating. This gives you a clearer understanding of a coin's potential before you make any moves. The third thing to consider is Token Metrics Portfolio Tracker. This tool automatically syncs with your exchange accounts and tracks your crypto investments in real time. While platforms like Blockfolio, now FTX, offer similar features, Token Metrics takes it further by providing more advanced insights and predictive analytics to help you optimize your portfolio over time. The fourth thing is Token Metrics educational resources. If you're new to crypto, you'll appreciate their educational material. They offer a range of courses, webinars, and detailed reports to help you understand the fundamentals of blockchain and crypto investing. This feature gives it an edge over other platforms like CoinMarketCap, which lacks structured educational content on investment strategies. Next up, let's talk about Token Metrics Crypto Screener. This feature allows you to filter and sort through thousands of cryptocurrencies based on custom metrics like market cap, performance, and more. It's similar to what you'd find on sites like TradingView, but with the added advantage of Token Metrics AI predictions. This predictive capability allows you to make more informed decisions when considering new investments, which you won't always get with other screeners. The sixth thing that sets Token Metrics apart is its research reports. You'll get access to detailed insights on specific coins and market trends. These reports are backed by both AI and human analysts, offering a deeper dive than the typical articles or short summaries you might see on other sites. This gives you access to more professional-grade research, a must-have if you're serious about long-term investments in the crypto space. The seventh thing to know is Token Metrics' subscription model. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the value you get with its AI-driven features and in-depth analysis could make it worth the investment. When compared to alternatives like CryptoCompare, Token Metrics offers a higher level of personalization and analytics, making it a solid option for experienced investors looking for more than just price tracking. So, if you want to dive deeper into crypto with access to cutting-edge tools, including a free trial, click the first link in the description to try Token Metrics now. You'll get some exclusive benefits and experience firsthand how this platform can elevate your investment strategy.